Want to know how to make money on Instagram? There are more ways than one. Creators go where the money flows. And with money flowing in abundance from competitors' creator funds, Instagram is doing its part to add new revenue streams to the platform. With an increasing number of creators shifting from sponsored content to audience monetization, Instagram's diversified approach may just make sense in dollars. Right now, there are 4 primary ways to make money on Instagram, and we will go through all of them. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our channel to learn how to make money online. Now let's get into the video. Strategy number 1. Work as an influencer to post content sponsored by brands. With the rising popularity of influencer marketing and brands spending tons on money on it, it has become a lucrative way for people to earn money. Influencers are Instagram users who have established credibility and audience, who can persuade others by virtue of their trustworthiness and authenticity. By being an influencer, you can earn money by collaborating with brands. As an influencer, you can earn through sponsored posts. You can command a fee for the sponsored posts because your posts reach out to all of your followers. So when a brand reaches out to you, you can set a price and they will pay you for a post or a story. So, how much can you earn from being an influencer? When we talk about how much do Instagram influencers make, there are several factors at play. First of all, not everyone spends all their time working as an influencer. Rather, many start out as hobbyists, and many never quit their day job and instead see their role as an influencer as a side hustle. There are many ways for influencers to earn money, but the main one is sponsored posts. The money influencers make from sponsored posts really varies from influencer to influencer based on followers, engagement rate, niche, and so on. It is not unheard of for those with more than 100,000 followers to earn $700 to $900 per photo. Those with 500,000 followers can command $2,000 to $3,000 per sponsored photo posted. The average money earned per post is around $10 per 1,000 followers. This can be much higher or much lower depending on the engagement and so on. Strategy number 2. Be an affiliate marketer selling other people's products. Affiliate marketing is the process of earning money, commissions, every time you promote a company's products or services and drive a sale. This is a great way to earn money as an influencer. How does it work? Traceable links and promo codes shared in posts, stories, or Instagram bios let brands track influencer referrals. Commission can range from 5 to 20%, depending on whether the partnership involves a pay-per-click or cost-per-acquisition model. Influencers interested in affiliate marketing can join affiliate networks such as CJ Affiliate, Pepperjam, ShareASale, or Rakuten. Brands such as Glossier, Missouri, Amazon, and Rent the Runway run their own affiliate programs. Strategy number 3. Earn money from your content. Creators that have built an audience with content that delivers entertainment or information value have an increasing number of ways to earn money on Instagram. Options like gated content, subscriptions, and even an NFT marketplace may soon be available on the app. IGTV ads. In May 2020, Instagram began sharing revenue on 15-second ads played on their IGTV videos. For creators that publish long-form video content, this could become a notable income stream. Instagram Live badges. Creators that broadcast Instagram Live videos can earn tips from viewers in the form of heart badges. When a user purchases a badge, a heart icon appears next to their name in the live chat. Badges cost between 99 cents and $4.99, with a cap of $250 US per viewer per session. In addition to badges, Instagram is starting to reward creators for hitting specific Instagram Live milestones, including live streaks and teaming up with different accounts. Strategy number 4. Sell your own products or services. Breaking into the world of business is no mean feat. It's a competitive, unpredictable, and challenging space. But, when you already have a guaranteed consumer base that is highly engaged and dedicated to following your every move, it seems to be the perfect opportunity to start your own business. With millions of followers from around the globe, this is fast becoming the case for many social media influencers. Having originally started out by sharing videos, blogs, or Instagram posts, influencers are now leveraging their elevated online presence to turn their passions into profitable business ventures. Whether it's collaborating with a well-known brand or going it alone and launching their very own empire, these well-known social media figures are finding new ways to make a living from their online fame. From photo filters to merch and runway-ready product lines, many creators do double duty on Instagram as entrepreneurs. In the past, those looking to sell their products or services on the app could either go the link in bio route or open a separate business account for their brand. That was all for this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more videos. Leave a comment on what you want to see next. I will see you in the next video. Bye.